Greetings everyone. Myself Yash Bansal and I welcomes you all to my slideshow made on Canva. This is my chemistry PBL activity and today I will be explaining you atoms and molecules. Contents of my presentation are law of chemical combination which contains law of conservation of mass and law of constant properties. What is an atom? It contains what are modern symbols of atoms and different elements, atomic mass, and how do atoms exist. What is a molecule? Molecules of elements, molecules of compound, and what is an ion? Let us start with my presentation. First comes law of chemical combination. It was discovered by Lavoisier and Joseph L. Proust. First comes law of conservation of mass. Law of conservation of mass states that mass that neither be created nor destroyed in a chemical reaction. This is a video reference for your reference. Second comes law of constant properties. Law of constant composition states that a given chemical compound always contains its component elements in fixed ratio by mass and it does not depend on its source and method of preparation. Atom. An atom is the smallest unit of ordinary matter that forms a chemical element. Every solid, liquid, gas, and plasma is composed of neutral and ionized atoms. Atoms are extremely small, typically around 100 picometers across. Here are the symbols of some elements. Hydrogen, its symbol is capital H. Helium, He, lithium, Li, beryllium, Be, boron, B, and so on. Atomic mass. The atomic mass is the mass of an atom. Although the SI unit of mass is kilogram, the atomic mass is often expressed in a non-SI unit, dalton, where 1 dalton is defined as 1 upon 12 of a mass of a single carbon minus 12 atom at rest. Its symbol is capital A and small r. How do atoms exist? Atoms exist in few states in a form of molecule. Molecules may be formed by the combination of atoms of two or more different elements. For example, molecule of water, it is formed by the combination of two atoms of hydrogen and one atom is oxygen. Molecules. A molecule is an electrically neutral group of two or more atoms held together by chemical bonds. Molecules are distinguished from ions by their lack of electrical charge. Elements. A term element is used to describe atoms with specific characteristics. There are almost 120 known elements. For example, you are made up of billions of atoms, but you probably won't find more than 40 elements in your body. Compound. A chemical compound is a chemical substance composed of many identical molecules composed of atoms from more than one element held together by chemical bonds. Ions. An ion is a charged atom of or molecule. It is a charge because the number of electrons do not equal the number of protons in an atom or molecule. It is made by Yash Bansal of class 9th A. Activity done is mind map of atoms and molecules. My task was task 6. Thank you.